2. On 1, 3, 2, 1. Hello guys, EnderGaming here. Welcome back to another Minecraft video. For today I'm starting a new series. Yay! Now, it's called The Art of a Blacksmith. Because this is my blacksmith shop, as you can see. And so basically, we have customers and we have to give them their needs and make money. And then we have to give out taxes. We have to pay our rent and stuff. Just pay taxes, blah blah blah. So we have to do that. And then we just keep our money. So, alright, so I hope you get the gist of it. But anyway, this is EnderGaming here. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so hello there, my friend. Sorry I was a little bit late. I had to go eat some food. But anyway, so what is it? What is it you want, sir? Okay, so you want an iron sword that's enchanted. Alright, the sharpness 3. Okay, fine. So, iron sword. Let's get the recipes book. Okay, so we got recipes or an miscellaneous chest that gives us all our stuff that we need. Anyway, so recipes. We need looking iron sword, one handle and 2 iron. Okay, so go to the handle. Make a handle and stick and leather and 2 iron. Okay, so we need 2. I'll skip 12 because stick, leather. Let's stick this in the furnace right now. Have that cook. Okay, so wait, sorry. There we go. Alright, so give me a handle. Now I just need 2 iron ingots. There's 1. And hurry up. I need the second iron ingot. 3, 2, 1. Iron ingot. Okay, there we go. So, iron sword has been forged. Alright, so what do you want? Oh, you want it with sharpness 3. Okay, fine. Over to the enchantment table. So, to make the sharpness 3 iron sword, we need iron sword and enchantment crystal. Great. Okay, so, enchantment crystal right here. There we go. Now, okay, sir, my enchantment table. Alright, sharpness 3 iron sword. There we go. Is this what you wanted, sir? Yes. Okay, thank you. I will take these gold coins. Thank you. Now, what else do you need, my friend? You need iron armor. Okay, so I'm gonna need some iron. Okay, there's enough for boots right there. And we need 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. We need 7 more. Give me like a whole bunch of ore. Oops. Let's give me like 20. Boop, boop. There we go. Now give me more iron. I need 4 more. I'm sorry about the wait, but our goods are fresh. Now I'm just gonna put on some music. One more. Some entertaining music for you while you wait. Ooh, there we go. Now, there you go, your boots and your legs for some money. Okay, now you just want a chest plate. So I'm gonna need height. What's this stupid music, man? I've never heard this before. I never listened all the way through, but I wish I had. that's good. Alright, you can get back in there. Alright, next up. This is one of my favorites. Alright, let me check on this. Oh yes, perfect. I think I want to put this back in. Here you go, sir. An iron warhammer. 2 handles and 1 iron head. Okay. Go. And I need 3 iron. Alright, now I can get my iron warhammer for you, sir. There we go. Now you want an arcane orb. Sir, this is a blacksmith shop, not an enchanting shop, but I guess I do have an enchantment table, so fine. Alright, so you want that. So what I'm gonna need for you is let me look at the recipes. To make an orb I need 4 glass. Okay. 4 sand. There we go. I don't know, what do I like the best? What about this? Nope. Wait. No. That worked. Hey, give me it! No! Got this. Okay, anyway, so my sand should be done. Yes, there we go. Orb created. Now, in order to make it blue, I need to add dye. Okay. Alright, now let me use this. Shut up, music! You're so loud! There we go. I'm putting it back to what I had it on. Look at this. That's creepy. What about this one? I like this one. There we go. But I like the other ones. Okay, give me shirt. There we go. Alright, what am I waiting on? Okay. Alright, so I got my orb. Now, how am I supposed to do this? Well, I'm guessing I have to enchant. I need my orb and I need a whiff of magic. I just happen to have some. Because, well, I had a plan for it, but whatever. Arcane orb. Now, here you go, sir. Thank you, and, there we go. Alright, the day is done. I have met all your needs, and I will see you later, sir. Bye! Come back to EnderGaming's blacksmith shop. We've been around for a very long time, should I say. Come back, and don't be discouraged, because Andy is, one of my employees. Well, he's the manager, actually. I'm an employee, sorry. But whatever. So I'll see ya around. Come back to EnderGaming's blacksmith shop soon. Oh, you're gonna leave in a minute. Okay, fine, whatever. Okay. Okay, hello there, Mr. Tax Collector. So, this is so expensive. Okay, so utilities, rent, store items. Okay, I need to read these. Alright, so this one here. That's a lot! That's 16 gold coins! 16 too! 16! And this one, 30. This is outrageous! Well, fine. Okay. At least I have money. So here's my utilities, and here's my rent. Store items, and I paid my rent. There we go. Just put away my thank you notes, and yay! I made 48 gold coins. Thank you, and I'll see you around. And come back again. And you, sir, you're way too overpriced, Mr. Tax Collector. Way too overpriced. Anyway. This was EnderGaming here. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I know you're thinking what you're thinking. It was too short. Why you have to be so mean like that? But this was just the beginning. Next time I plan on making more difficult things and a lot more things we need to make. And sneak peek, I might do the art of a witch. Or the art of a wizard, I mean. Because I'm not a girl. But anyway, this was EnderGaming here. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace out.